Hey guys, Arjun this side from Gossipfunda. I hope you all guys are doing well. And in today's video, we will discuss Android trick that can help you find closest free internet in your city. So, let's get into it. If you are an Android user who often relies on free public Wi-Fi, then this genius hack will be an absolute game changer for you. Many Android users operate on a prepaid plan, which means access to internet service and data is limited. For that reason, a good amount of Android users rely on free public Wi-Fi to access the internet outside of their homes. Other important apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Messengers, and Gmail also require a network connection to access. However, it can oftentimes be difficult to find free Wi-Fi in the public sphere. That is until now. One clever app called Wi-Fi passwords, offline maps, and VPN, found on Google Play Store, can help Android users locate all the open Wi-Fi networks in their city. This app not only can help users save time on searching for Wi-Fi, but also save some money by preventing them from overusing their data. So, now let's discuss how to locate Wi-Fi in your city. First, you have to download the app. Then, you have to connect to either of your home or an external Wi-Fi network or access your mobile data. After that step is done, you must activate your Android device GPS setting and allow the app permission to access your location. The app will then display a map similar to Google Maps with a tab on the bottom that's called Wi-Fi is near me. Click on that tab to see all open Wi-Fi networks in your area along with their names, address, and proximity to your location. Once you select specific Wi-Fi network, you can tap on the unlock password button to unlock its password. If a network does not have a password, the app will state that. The best part about this method is it's absolutely free. So this was the process by which you can find the closest free internet around you or in your city. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. And if you need more information and more knowledge, you can go to our blog page on the website of gossipfunda.com, and don't forget to check the link in the description down below. Thank you.